Have you ever wondered what belief might be secretly keeping you from reaching your full potential? Our thoughts and beliefs have a powerful impact on our lives. They shape how we see the world. They influence the choices we make every day. And sometimes, without even knowing it, our beliefs can hold us back. These are what we call limiting beliefs. A limiting belief is a thought that keeps you stuck. It's something you believe to be true, but it's actually false. It stops you from growing, from taking action, from being your best self. And here's the thing, most people don't even realize they have them. Limiting beliefs can hide deep in your mind. They come from your past, things you've seen, heard, or experienced. Maybe someone told you that you weren't good enough. Maybe you failed once, and you've never forgotten that feeling. Or maybe you've always compared yourself to others and felt like you don't measure up. These beliefs are sneaky. They feel like facts, but they're not. They feel like truth, but they're lies. And today, we're going to uncover the one belief that's holding you back the most. Then I'll show you how to replace it with something powerful, something that will help you grow, succeed, and finally become the person you're meant to be. The belief that holds so many people back. What's the one belief? It's this: I am not enough. That's it. Simple, but powerful. This belief shows up in many ways. I'm not good enough. I'm not smart enough. I'm not talented enough. I'm not attractive enough. I'm not strong enough. Sound familiar? This belief hides under your thoughts. When you avoid speaking up, when you stop yourself from trying, when you compare yourself to others and feel like a failure, it's usually because deep down, you believe you're not enough. And this belief is not just painful. It's dangerous. Because it limits you. It makes you play small. It convinces you to settle for less than you deserve. Where this belief comes from. So where does this belief come from? It usually starts in childhood. Maybe someone made fun of you. Maybe a teacher or parent criticized you. Maybe you didn't get the love or support you needed, and you started to think, maybe there's something wrong with me. And as you grow up, that thought turns into a belief. You collect more experiences that seem to confirm it. You fail a test, you think, see, I'm not smart. Someone breaks up with you, you think, I'm not lovable. You get rejected from a job, you think, I'm not good enough. But here's the truth, these experiences don't define your worth. Your value isn't based on what other people think of you. It's not based on your past. It's not based on how perfect you are. You are enough, just as you are. Why we hold on to this belief? So why do we hold on to this belief if it hurts us? Because it's familiar. And the brain likes what's familiar, even if it's painful. Your brain is always trying to protect you. It wants to keep you safe. So it tells you, don't take risks. Don't try new things. Stay where it's comfortable. That's why we stay stuck. We're afraid of failing. We're afraid of being judged. We're afraid of not being perfect. But staying in the same place forever isn't safety, it's a prison. How to break free. Now, here's the good news. You can break free from this belief. You don't have to live your whole life thinking you're not enough. You can change your belief. You can replace it. And here's how to do it. Step 1. Become aware. The first step is awareness. You can't change a belief you don't see. So start by listening to your thoughts. What do you say to yourself when you fail? What do you think when you look in the mirror? How do you feel when someone else succeeds? Pay attention. Notice when the voice in your head says, "You can't do this," or "You'll never be good enough." That's your limiting belief speaking. Write these thoughts down. Be honest. Don't judge yourself. Just observe. Because when you can see the belief, you can start to change it. Step 2. Question the belief. Now that you've noticed the belief, it's time to question it. Ask yourself, is this belief true? Is there real evidence for it? Where did this belief come from? Who taught it to me? Do I want to keep believing this? Most of the time, you'll realize the belief isn't true. It's just something you accepted a long time ago. Maybe it served you then, but it's not helping you now. Let it go. Step 3. replace it. Now, replace the old belief with a new one. Instead of, I'm not enough, try, I am enough, just as I am. I have value and worth. I am growing and learning every day. I believe in myself. I don't have to be perfect to be worthy. Repeat these new beliefs every day. Say them out loud. Write them in your journal. Look in the mirror and speak them with confidence. At first, they might feel strange or fake. That's okay. Your brain needs time to adjust. But the more you repeat them, the more they'll start to feel true. Step 4. Act like it's true. Now comes the powerful part. Take action. Act like the new belief is true, even before you fully believe it. That means, try something new, even if you're scared. Apply for that job, even if you feel unqualified. Start that project, even if you doubt yourself. Speak up, even if your voice shakes. Confidence comes from action. Every time you act in line with your new belief, you strengthen it. You prove to yourself that you are enough. Step 5. Surround yourself with support. Your environment matters. The people around you can either build you up or tear you down. So choose wisely. Spend time with people who believe in you. Follow accounts and creators who inspire you. Read books and watch videos that lift you up. Like this one. And don't be afraid to ask for help. Talk to a coach, a mentor, or a therapist if you need support. You don't have to do this alone. Step 6. Be patient. Changing a belief takes time. It's like planting a seed. You water it, give it sunlight, and wait. At first, nothing seems to happen. But under the surface, everything is changing. Don't give up. Keep showing up for yourself. Keep repeating your affirmations. Keep taking small steps. Keep believing. You're not just changing a belief, you're changing your life. Final thoughts. So let's go back to the beginning. What's the one belief that's holding you back? It's the belief that you are not enough. And what's the truth? You are enough. You always have been. You always will be. No matter your past. No matter your mistakes. No matter what anyone else says. You are enough. And the moment you believe that, everything changes. You start showing up differently. You speak with more confidence. You dream bigger. You take action. You stop waiting for permission. You start creating the life you were meant to live. That's the power of replacing a limiting belief with a positive one. And it all starts today. Now it's your turn. Start noticing your beliefs. Start questioning them. Start replacing them with something better. And remember, this journey is not about being perfect. It's about being real. It's about growing. It's about choosing yourself over and over again. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, comment below with your thoughts or experiences, and subscribe to Daily Positivity for more content that helps you grow and become your best self. Let's build a community where we support each other, lift each other up, and break through the beliefs that hold us back. You are enough. You always have been. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.